9th of April 1976, race 5, the New South Wales Pacers Derby final, and on the 600-metre turn, and the leader is Fiery Guy from Ron Robin. Stanley Rio pocketed on the rails. Michael Frost, top hand, dropping back. Then Capri Glenfern moving up on the outside. Rainier Prince, Commander Cody last on the outside. Up towards the 400-metre mark now, and it's still Fiery Guy, Ron Robin, Stanley Rio climbing all over the horses in front. It can't get out. It's Fiery Guy, Ron Robin, and out wide now Capri Glenfern is coming fast round the outside of Michael Frost. The driver of Fiery Guy has gone for the whip. Out wide, Capri Glenfern is finishing well. Michael Frost dropping back, but Capri Glenfern has dashed away on the straight and down to the line. It's Capri Glenfern will clear. Commander Cody running on, Stanley Rio getting out. However, Capri Glenfern beats Commander Cody. Michael Frost third, then an unlucky Stanley Rio, Fiery Guy, Rainier Prince, Ron Robin, and the others are a long way back.